Fixing the Ozone or Squire digital safe. Before start using the safe, first fix and secure the safe inside the cupboard, almirah or against the brick wall by using the fasteners provided with the packing. To fix the safe, place it in the position where you want to fix it. Make sure that there is no moisture on the wall. Check the alignment of safe placement. Mark the hole's position with pencil by keeping safe in its position. Now keep the safe aside and drill the holes on pencil markings for precise positions. Place the safe back against the drilled holes, insert the fasteners in their position and screw them tightly. Now your safe is ready for use. Fix the LED light on inside top panel of the safe in the slot given for fixing. Now insert 4 alkaline batteries in the battery compartment located on the inner surface of the door panel. The electronic operating panel is now ready for use.